Tim Albright with AVNation ISE 2025 in the Sennheiser booth with David Missall, talking about TeamConnect.
Yes.
Right? And TeamConnect is not new. You guys have had it for several years. But this year we're talking about a couple of different things. Number one is your medium, which is more of what's a round form factor.
Yeah, correct. This one's been out just over a year. It's part of now the TeamConnect Ceiling family.
Yeah.
And we're actually showing it at the booth live today, a great demo, where we're actually using it in a voice lift application, which is really interesting to be able to do a voice lift application with TeamConnect Ceiling microphone at the trade show. Hard to do that.
Yes.
We did a really powerful demo for it, so very proud of it.
If somebody's not familiar with the term voice lift, what does that mean to you?
Right, so when you have a room where you have a presenter and you want to make sure that the people in the back of the room hear you, you usually have to have some sort of amplification.
Yeah.
And the way to do this is with a ceiling microphone so that you can bring up that voice and distribute it to the speakers in the back.
Okay.
And through our technology, we make it a lot easier so you don't get feedback.
Which typically you would get if you had a microphone right under a live speaker.
Right, correct. So because of our technology of true voice lift, that's our technology, we do a frequency shift of the information that the microphone is picking up. So this frequency shift gets distributed to the loudspeakers being used in the room, and because we're shifting the frequency, there's no frequencies that build up to create feedback.
All right.
But we don't change the frequency so much that you still don't have intelligibility, right? Most important, you still want to make sure people can hear you in the back of the room. So we distribute our audio through the QSYS system, for instance. We still have to have a DSP, and that goes back to the room into the speaker setup, and people can hear you from the front of the room.
All right.
Using just the ceiling microphone.
Okay. Something else you're showing in the booth is a new digital series?
Yes.
Digital wireless?
Yes, so EWDX we've had out with the 2-channel half-rack receiver, and then last year we brought out the 4-channel EWDX
Full
receiver,
rack.
the EM4. Right, 1U, 4 channels. It's shipping now. It's really a wonderful sounding digital transmission that we're doing. And also, we're able to do so many channels now in a much smaller spectrum than our competition. So, as you know, the RF environment is very crowded.
Incredibly crowded.
And the EWDX is really good at getting the most channels within a given space so they can do those large-scale productions.
All right. David, somebody wants to find out more about Sennheiser. How do they do that?
Well, Sennheiser.com, we have all the information there about events we're having. We have a lot of training actually available there too.
Okay.
So you can do some onboarding with our products and learn about them. And of course, come down to the booth here at ISE.
All right, David Missall from Sennheiser for us, for AVNation. Go by our website, avnation.tv, that's avnation.tv, and find more videos from the show floor of ISE 2025. All that and more at avnation.tv, avnation.tv.